It's not about me. It has always been about him, about God.
Matagumpay ang naging pagtatanghal ni Asia songbird Regine Velasquez sa Silver Rewind nitong nakaraang Sabado. As promised, naibigay ni Regine ang performance na ipinangako nito sa kanyang mga tagahanga sa first staging ng nasabing show noong November 2012.
And I feel very happy, of course, na for the second time, nandito ulit, dumating ulit yung mga tao at sana kahit papano na-entertain sila at natupad ko yung pangako ko sa kanila.
Iba po yung sparkle niyo po sa stage, iba po yung
Siyempre, I'm very happy eh. I'm happy that although my voice is not yet 100%, but it's getting there.
Ayon kay Regine, may leksyong naituro sa kanya ang karanasang ito.
This show really was a Thanksgiving. So, nakalimutan ko yon the first time, but now, I made sure na hindi. So, thank you, Lord, for giving me this chance to be able to perform. Again, kasi before parang tinitake for granted ko lang. It's nice to hear my voice. It's back, konti-konti. It's getting there.
As expected, ang Silver Rewind dinaluhan ng pinakamaningning ng mga showbiz personalities.
Yung pinangako niya, tinupad niya, tsaka ang dami pa ring tao.
Ang latest kay Eugene, siya raw ang napipisil na makasama ni Bossing Vic Soto sa kanyang 2013 MMFF entry.
Wala pa kaming formal na pinag-uusapan, pero kahit naman hindi film fest, anytime for Bossing Vic Soto.
Nandun din si Marjorie Barreto na si Gretchen lang daw ang kasama nitong Pasko.
Yeah, no, I spent it with Gretchen out of town. Si Claudine spent it with the rest of the family. Yeah, she's okay. She's alright, she's alright.
Ang attendees naman na sina Richard Gomez at Lucy Torres, shinare ang plano nilang magpakasal ulit.
15 years na kami this year. So, papakasal kami ng simpleng ceremonies lang. In Ormoc. Kasi doon kami kinasal, di ba? So, yung 15 years namin, doon ulit.
He always said, when we were newly married, sabi niya, honey, on our 15th year, pakasal tayo ulit.
Abangan ang exclusive coverage ng Silver Rewind sa January 27, Linggo, dito lang sa GMA.